Let's see, let's see. Oh boy. Carbon fiber. Oh, damn it. See? That's what I was worried about. It's beautiful. Oh, this thing's super nice, dude. Super nice.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am with Marty and the Supra, and we are going to install from Extreme Online Store this really nice carbon fiber wing to add on to his addiction.
Yeah, this ain't definitely not helping me with my addiction, but the wing is actually beautiful. The weave is great. The quality looks good. So
We did a mock-up and it looks badass, and it goes from here, it attaches to here, and it goes a little bit over, so you'll still be able to open the trunk. And it's just 2 screws. They're gonna go right through. We don't have a template, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put it on. We're gonna lay some tape down. Then we're gonna do some tape the other side up on the wing, so we can mark the holes. We'll set it nicely. Then we'll hold onto the tape, lift up the wing, and it'll leave the 2 holes marked. And then we'll measure on both sides, make sure everything is good, drill the holes, and we'll see the final product. But in the box, it came with a wing, it came wrapped, and it brought 4 Allen head screws. We're gonna use a 5/32 Allen to put them on. It brought this little pinstripes tape that we can put around the bolts underneath, so it helps up to hold it and not let any water in. And of course, we're gonna need some drill bits. I'm gonna start small to kind of like get it through, and then we'll make the hole the same size as the screw so we can get it through. So let's get it started. So we're gonna take on tape. You cut it and you put it long enough upside down, kind of where the hole is.
I remember.
You put 2 of these, then you poke a hole through.
I remember.
And then wait, look for the hole. In there. You mark the hole. You mark both holes. That way when you set it down and you put the tape on this side and you pull it off, the holes are marked. So the other side. No. All right, now we're gonna settle the wing, move it around, measure everything, and make sure it's good before we hold on to the tape.
I wanted it right at the edge.
Huh?
Right at the edge.
All right, come check this side, see if you like it.
You got it, right?
Yeah. All right, your turn.
What? The measure?
Yeah.
What? You already had it. I trust your judgment. You have it what? Right over.
Measure twice, 3 times, 4 times.
You have it. You measure from the middle. You measure from the.
Measure however you want.
From the corner.
Doesn't matter.
It's
No,
about 2.5 in the corner.
measure however you want.
2.5. Yeah, we're good.
So now, put some tape without moving it too much. Just put a couple pieces in there.
Yeah.
Don't get so close. You don't have to get so close. Try to move the wing. All right, so as you can see, we have the tape that was up, went across this way where we marked the holes. Once we set it and we measure where we want it on both sides, then we go and we fold the tape down and we tape it on both sides down to the car. That way when we pull the wing up, it'll still show the holes. So let's see if that works. Pull up. Go slowly, pull up over there only.
Damn it, you got the best fucking tape you could buy.
Yeah, right? Take it. Watch how it's up. See? Now you got it. Now the holes are marked here and here. Now we measure.
Right about 2. Right about 2. Perfect.
All right, send it.
Oh, look at there. Oh, damn, that was
That was
quick.
easy, but you have to get
You
to
know
the
why?
plastic.
That's not
Yeah.
metal.
No, it's was it fire?
That's plastic, bro.
Plastic?
Yep. Got it?
Little pilot holes. That one came in quick.
Yeah.
All right, so we did some little pilot holes, and now we're about to get them bigger. But let's see.
You're fine.
They went through. Yep.
Yep. That's what we wanted.
Went through on both sides. Now do the bigger holes. Did you get the bottom part?
That one I did. Worst case scenario, I'll come up from top. Look at there. Perfectly good holes.
Clean it off with some little bit of rubbing alcohol. Let's put in the double side tape on the wing. Remember, the wing doesn't go, it doesn't hold on to the car here, so you can't put the strip all the way out. If you do that, you won't be able to open the trunk, so you kind of go like an inch and a half out. Widening the holes just a tad bit.
Good to go.
All right, so we got the holes ready. Got the tape on both sides. Ooh. Now we're gonna take a little bit of the corner of the strip of the tape, leave it hanging, and we're gonna settle it down and come from underneath, get the bolts in on just a little bit on there, and then pull the tape, get it on good, and then tighten the bolts. Now pull the...
Once you have it seated enough, you have both the bolts in, just pull your tape out. Then let the bolts or screws, whatever, do their job and push it in.
So we pull this side's from the back to the front. Yeah. This side's from the... Ooh, this side's pretty...
Taking it down.
Man, the tape was like perfect. Almost there. That side's strong. Oh, pull down on the wing so the bolt comes down, no? Because right now...
Yeah, that helped.
There you go, go on the back one. Looking good. Now we tighten them all down and clean it up. I have ratchet Allens, but they're pets right now as we're working on a GT250.
Yeah.
This part won't be in the video.
This is the only tools Javi has at the moment. It's all right though. You go slow, you'll be fine. I think it's probably better to do something like this slow than to try to send it with an impact or something.
Ooh, look at how nice. Look at how nice.
Oh boy. I'm excited. Woo! Look at that.
Oh, that looks real good. And that's pretty much it. Once those bolts get in there, like pretty hand tight, pretty good. It has the adhesive around this edge right here. And right now, you can see some of our fingers on there. We use a towel, but you can see our fingers. But we're gonna clean it up and yeah.
Well, that was good. It seats good too.
Yeah.
There's not like, I've seen some that have these big gaps here, and this one seats really nice.
Yep.
So the quality of the carbon fiber is great.
It looks good. Like you can see the reflection on the camera and everything.
Yeah. So, oh, this is what this car needed.
Yep. Oh, let's jump to some B-roll, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Oh man, this looks good. Looks good. Turned out awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
All right, guys. So just got home, and just want to show you guys again, right quick, the way it turned out. Honestly, I'm really, really happy the way it turned out. I want to thank Extreme Online Store for letting me have an opportunity to put this on the car. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, guys. The carbon is just so nice. I mean, the quality, look at that. Look how nice that is. So, quality turned out great. Everything, I'm really happy with it, the way it turned out, and just, it looks so good on the car. It's like, damn, completely changes the back of that car. And just happy with it. Just really, really happy with it. And thanks, Javi, for helping me put it on. It's never fun drilling into a new car. Never fun, but the results speak for themselves, and I'm really happy with it. So, there's going to be a link to that wing and some other parts. We have some other parts we got to put on the car. So, but like I said, there will be a link to that wing if anybody's interested. The price is pretty good for a full carbon fiber wing. The thing is super light, so it's not anything heavy you put it on your car. So, I'm happy with it. And thanks again, Extreme Online Store. So, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think on the new wing. And soon, more parts. And we got more stuff coming. So, we'll see y'all later. Bye.